Introducing Aetria, Datapath's integrated solution for the design, management and operation of mission-critical control rooms. The design and deployment of control rooms is more complex than ever before. Control room operators require access to vast numbers of content sources and large volumes of information from a variety of sources, such as web pages, live video feeds, remote desktop connections and local applications. This presents a huge challenge for system integrators in understanding the capabilities and compatibility of all the software and hardware components involved. This is where Datapath's Aetria can help. Aetria provides system integrators with a fully integrated platform to design and operate mission-critical control rooms of any size. Aetria makes it easy to design, manage, control and monitor your entire control room. Rather than being restricted by the limitations of the technology, with Aetria's structured integrated process, solutions are developed around the end user's requirements. The connectivity between all workstations, video walls and sources is easily configured and managed from the Aetria interface. Operators can instantly view the sources and content they need on any screen or video wall in the control room, allowing them to view multiple sources on their local workstation or any video wall with a single click, using pre-configured templates and layouts. With built-in diagnostics, Aetria monitors all connected devices to ensure smooth operation and swift response if issues occur. Aetria provides a single integrated interface for the operation and control of the entire control room. With the flexibility to route sources to any workstation or video wall, operators have instant content mobility. By simplifying the user experience, Aetria takes away all complexity from the operator, allowing them to work distraction-free and focus solely on their primary objectives and the task at hand. Aetria, control rooms made simple.